What's up, guys? It's 352 Keegan. We're back at it at my buddy Beckett Monroe's house. We're working on his 6.0 today. Getting the frame sanded up, and already he's got his lift coming back from powder coat here soon, and he's prepping the frame right now. I'm helping along. We're getting it sanded and everything. It's already all stripped. He's got everything stripped. There's the man right there getting to it. Well, yeah, we've been working our way along this truck. Got the bed rail pretty done pretty good so far. And yeah, other than that, we're gonna get right to it and start sanding away. Well, here we are, steady stripping this thing apart piece by piece, sanding away, getting to it, man. It is a Thursday, should usually be at work right now, but woke up this morning, I was laying in bed, seen Becky on TikTok Live working on the truck, and I figured I'd come right on over and help out. We got to rip this inner fender liner out right now. Gonna get this out. Me and Becky gonna run down this side. Get this side all cleaned up, looking like the other side. And we should be good. Never said a old ass fender liner isn't so easy to get out, man. But ain't nothing impossible. Here y'all see it. Just got this in the fender liner. About to clean up a lot of this right here. Probably touch up some of this. Even clean up some of this maybe. But basically we're just gonna try to get this side to look like the other side. Here is the last spot I've done today. The side came out pretty good. Obviously this ain't the last time it's gonna get some sanding and stuff, but other than that, everything that has been done. Base has been great. Rear's been done pretty good. Everything's got a good start for today, but there y'all see it. But I started this morning. It's all nice and clean. Got that all cleaned up as well. Fantasy on my phone. Yeah, people from the back watching nigga bless you. Yeah, crying in my arms like a nigga rich you. That's probably gonna wrap up today's video. I'm gonna be posting probably a couple more videos on this thing. Beckett's real cool. He's gonna be building this thing pretty damn big. It's gonna be something worth watching, worthwhile. He's got a whole series of this truck build on his YouTube channel already and stuff. Him going to get it, what it was stock before ripping it apart and leading up to this point. And I'll have all that right here for y'all. And yeah, go check out his channel too. And as for today, that's it. We're gonna go get some lunch. And until next time, keep it cool, keep it custom, keep doing you. Have a good day, y'all.